Learn a new thing today. Fact of the day. The Amazon rainforest makes its own rain. The Amazon isn't just a rainforest, it's a self-sustaining weather machine. Trees release huge amounts of water vapor into the air through a process called transpiration. This moisture forms clouds, which fall as rain, keeping the forest alive. In a way, the Amazon waters itself. The intricate interplay between its flora and climate demonstrates the vital role the Amazon plays in regulating not only its own environment, but also influencing weather patterns beyond its borders. That's your fact for today. Don't forget to like and follow, and drop a comment if there's something you want to learn about next. Come back tomorrow to learn something new.